Once you set foot on Jamaican soil, you'll begin a journey you'll never forget. You'll encounter our many moods, from adventurous to playful, from elegant to laid back. You'll discover unexpected treasures and unexpected pleasures from a warm, gentle people who will charm you with our sunny smiles and infectious laughter. Come, explore our Jamaica. Jamaica lies in the Western Caribbean Sea, southeast of Miami. Our island is easily accessible by direct flights from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Europe, and South America, with international airports in Kingston and Montego Bay. We're a nation born from a kaleidoscope of cultures. The majority of our people are of African descent, influenced by European, Chinese, and Indian traditions. And so, as our national motto says, we are truly out of many, one people. No matter who you are or what you like to do, there's a side of Jamaica that's waiting to welcome you. Kingston, the heartbeat of Jamaica and our capital city. With the stunning blue mountains as a backdrop, Kingston thrives as a business, social, and cultural center with art galleries, museums, and vibrant theatrical productions. Or revisit Kingston's rich history at sites like Port Royal, once home to infamous pirates and was known as the wickedest city in the New World. Or Spanish Town, just outside of Kingston. The old capital under the Spanish occupation of the island, Spanish Town is a showcase of historic Georgian-style buildings. And there is the birthplace of tourism, idyllic Port Antonio, where a part of you will remain forever. A quaint seaside town set against vividly verdant towering mountains that slip into clear blue waters, Port Antonio is also known as the Little Hollywood of Jamaica and is the nature lover's paradise. Glide on a raft down the tranquil waters of the Rio Grande.
Jared's so fast that even when he stops rowing, our boat passes everybody else's.
Oh yeah, man, this is your X-Class, specially made for you.
Trek to Somerset Falls, nestled in the rainforest. Sail on your private yacht into the Port Antonio Marina, or dive into the refreshing deep azure waters of the Blue Lagoon. Port Antonio, naturally. Once a small fishing village, Ocherius offers everything from a profusion of tropical flora to exciting outdoor activities. Play with friendly bottlenose dolphins at Dolphin Cove. Take an unforgettable horseback ride through fruit plantations or along the beach. Climb the world-famous Dunn's River Falls. Visit Fern, a natural haven for an abundance of ferns, many of them found only in Jamaica. Or go river tubing down the gentle meandering White River. Ocherius, the centerpiece of Jamaica. Dynamic Montego Bay, we call it Mo Bay. It's the place where the parties never stop, where you'll find just about every kind of entertainment under the sun. Check out the Hip Strip with its trendy shops, cafes, bars, and round-the-clock party spots. Bask on the soft sands of Doctor's Cave Beach, once frequented by the who's who of Hollywood for its therapeutic, mineral-enriched waters. Or ride on the 700-foot-high trails of the Jamaican ATV Tour, offering impressive vistas of the Caribbean. Go golfing at any of the 5 challenging championship courses from Tri-Hole to Rose Hole. Or glimpse a ghost at the Rose Hole Great House, hauntingly beautiful Georgian mansion. Montego Bay, the complete resort. For the unhurried, free-spirited, laid-back personality, we invite you to go west to Negril, the capital of casual. A favorite hangout for the flower children in the 1960s, Negril is still a do-as-you-please, shrug-off your blues, kick-off your shoes kind of place. With its world-famous 7-mile beach, Negril beckons you to the adrenaline rush of cliff diving or the pure peace of watching a glorious sunset. Take a trip back in time and off the beaten track to the other side of Jamaica, the South Coast, where a spirit of community will enrich your Jamaican journey. So you can feel right at home with fishermen who will take you on an ecological tour up the Black River, Jamaica's longest navigable river. Or just delight in the dramatic vistas like the one from Lover's Leap, rising 1,600 feet from. Legend reveals that ill-fated lovers leapt from this cliff rather than be separated. Or take a refreshing plunge into one of the many inviting pools at Wyas Falls. And tucked away among all the natural beauty of the South Coast is a different kind of attraction, the Appleton Estate, where world-class Jamaican rum is made. For the golf enthusiast, Jamaica has 12 courses around the island that attract players to a diverse, spectacular scenery. Birdies can fly on the challenging fairways in Montego Bay, or let eagles soar on tempting greens in the cool hills of Mandeville, at the oldest golf club in the Western Hemisphere. Whatever your handicap, Jamaica has a golf course that will suit your game. For variety, you can watch or join in a cricket match, a sport with rich traditions and favored by many Jamaicans. Wherever you are on the island, you'll discover that romance is always in. And Jamaica has an abundance of charming locations for weddings and honeymoons. Select a setting that's just right for you, a beachfront location, or the more traditional surrounding in any of the many beautiful churches that grace our island. Accommodations in Jamaica are as diverse as our people and culture. You'll find everything from cozy romantic hideaways to large convention hotels, luxurious full-service spa to funky boutique getaways, a modest seaside bungalow to a private villa, all-inclusive or pay-as-you-go. Jamaica has something for everyone. Shopping in Jamaica is always exciting. Fine name brands can be discovered in our duty-free shops, or you can bargain for creative crafts handmade by local artisans in our crafts markets. And our food? Our rich ethnic heritage reflected in our mouth-watering cuisine. Spices and ingredients from Jamaica, Africa, China, and India combine for an exotic, unique blend from hot to oat, and always Jamaican.